Join me in this moment with our four-legged friends. This video is sure to bring you much joy. It seems like it doesn't want anyone to take its belongings. The dog is happily playing with its plastic bottle. Its owner is testing the dog's intelligence, and it's quite surprising. It looks like the dog is having trouble with the mouse trap. Its belongings don't seem easy to take away. Who could have caused this?
Hugo did it.
Why is it alone?
You have nothing to do with
I don't trust that friend.
Hugo, did you?
The poor puppy teased the goose. And the goose didn't come alone. I really don't like this. Where did it fly off to? Why isn't it allowed to play now? The dog is having a great time with its ball.
3, 2, 1, go!
He won't jump. I won't wait.
Oh my God! Ross, jump in!
Ты посмотри на свой нос.
It seems like the dog really enjoys this. It seems like it doesn't want to share its favorite treat. Be careful with his hand. It seems like the dog isn't pleased. Let's see how smart this dog is and how long it takes to bring that stick over here. Is the dog helping its owner sweep the house? Thank you for watching the video, and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to see more videos in the future. Thank you everyone.